Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hays County, western Travis County, northeastern Blanco County until 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mansfield Dam to near Cypress Mill, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Cedar Park, San Marcos, Kyle, Buda, Dripping Springs, Wimberley, Tanglewood Forest, Lakeway, Lago Vista, The Cave, West Lake Hills, Hudson Bend, The Hills, Wood Creek, Rolling Wood, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, and Bear Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Your local forecast.